48. The death of a lady. She died a month ago, and it is difficult to forget her. She was a Christian, an old-fashioned gentlewoman, a lady to the core. When her husband became seriously ill some years ago, it was her belief that he left her well fixed for life financially. However, his long and lingering illness, plus financial complications he could not deal with, wiped him out. She went to work, doing what she could to ably and efficiently as a maid in domestic service. She never complained nor felt sorry for herself. When she went to church or visited friends, she did so as serenely as in her days of prosperity, always carefully and neatly dressed and wearing white gloves. She was always a Christian and a lady, and no one to feel sorry for, but someone to respect and appreciate. The couple she worked for had another baby, and the extra work was too much for her. She had a heart attack and in a few days passed away quietly. She was a clear example of the truth of St. Paul's words, quote, "Godliness with contentment is great gain." 1 Timothy 6:6. Great gain, that means great profit or wealth. She was a rich woman according to Paul's standard, or rather God's standard. Most of us prefer to be poor. We choose discontentment, which is neither godliness nor gain, but usually self-pity and misery. We choose to wallow in self-pity and discontent, blame God for our misery, and then demand that he do something about it. Discontentment and self-pity always lead us from bad to worse. Our friend simply went from one kind of wealth to another, and then to glory. Hers was a marvellous way to live, by faith and in godly contentment. Why not try it?